Unlock global spending power in the UK with your new Wise card. Why Euro? Here's how to get it ready. First, grab your phone and open the Wise app if you haven't already. Download it from your app store and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the card section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. You should see a prominent option to activate card. Why Euro? Tap on that. Now, you'll need to carefully enter the activation code. This unique code is usually printed on a sticker attached to your new Wise card when it arrived. Type in each digit accurately, ensuring there are no typos. Double-check it before proceeding to the next step. Once the code is accepted, congratulations! Your Wise card is now activated and ready to use for all your international and domestic transactions right here in the UK. This means you can start spending in multiple currencies, withdraw cash from ATMs, and manage your entire multi-currency account directly through the Wise app. Traveling abroad can be very educational, and with your activated Wise card, managing your finances seamlessly across borders just got a whole lot easier. Happy spending!